Bonjour tout le monde, comment nous ça c'est Zami nous, Wenzo MTL qui vient en nouveau vidéo pour nous sur channel là. Guys, pas oublier abonner avec channel là, cliquez sur cloche de notification et toujours un pile vidéo pour tomber pour pas rater belle vidéo ça pour tomber sur channel là. Joueur nous vient parler aujourd'hui, nous venons on joueur que tout le monde connaît, son joueur qui est populaire, son grand joueur qui a joué dans Real Madrid, c'est attaquant, c'est Karim Benzema, c'est un grand attaquant que tout le monde connaît, même que tout le monde parle, mais Karim Benzema toujours attaquant que Pep Madrid a apprécié, même que Cristiano était là, même que après de Cristiano, il a marqué un pile goal. Sans vent pile parler en pile gaz, nous allons présenter information tout de suite, qu'on y a avant de parler avant là. Non, monsieur, c'est Karim Mostafa Benzema. Nationalité, monsieur, c'est français. C'est pas 100%. Pourquoi ça me dit pas 100%? C'est parce que il y a une raison pour ça. C'est Algérie qui mélange dans la bagarre. Côté monsieur fait, c'est la France. Ville là, c'est Lyon, toujours en France. L'âge, monsieur, c'est 19 décembre 1987. Monsieur, a 32 ans. Taille, c'est 1m85. Sans trop parler en pile gaz, nous parlons plutôt ouais, ville millionnaire mené.
I'm doing it really though. Big dreams, I want big dough. Clubbing all night, champagne popping, get it faded. Girls on my waistline. Tell the DJ it's bass time. I got these girls all over me. They're going down for some taste time. If it ain't pumping, it ain't mine. When the crowd get hyped up, I stage dive. And people on my case like I'm okay. But I see through all of them fake smiles. You think I'm cocky, huh? Ain't I? Why you grilling on me day night? Party hardy, though, full moon till the break of dawn. I mean daylight. Dude, I'm killing it, smoking them all like a cigarette. Worldwide, I'm on it like the internet, the filament on the other side of the world since I've been in it. Guess you don't know who I'm chilling with, but now you wanna hold me close. You look stupid cause you brag a lot like a top model with no portfolio. Just hop on it, just hop on it like you know nothing. Say hop on it. You know how the story goes. Been doing this for years, went up and back down, then back up like a roller coaster. And everyone on that ride, let's get it. And if you weren't there, don't come closer. You don't have to call me. 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 No, I ain't picking up. Go stupid like rice in the club. And my songs go hard though, and they everywhere like pints in the pub. Girls wanna come a little close, cause they know that I'm running with the flow. Skip that P1, don't find my nose. Don't you know that I don't cut up with these fools? My business is my business, and I get it. I rhyme sicker than most MCs that got signed with these major labels with my tricks, huh? I don't hang with fools. Let me get it straight, I don't hang at all. No ring a tang, but I jangle like a tang with a bang. She won't forget at all. Most these fools on a hitchhike. They wanna live right just to live right. But where were you in the struggle? Don't call me cause you heard of the big time. Last time you called was a big time. I mean long time ago. You were always in a rush, gotta go. And you had a lot of money, now you got a lot of clothes. Decided stuff, but you broke though. No house, no car, just logos. You grinding your hand on a photo. Complain that the video goes slow-mo. You lost it, Call 'em, no Frodo. Your friends don't hang with you no more. Don't you know that I'm doing this for years. Went up and back down, then back up like a roller coaster. And everyone on that ride, let's get it. And if you weren't there, don't come closer. You don't have to call me. 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 You don't have to call me.
Abdi un gros bouton ton merci à vous même qui te regarde vidéo ou même qui faut qu'on fasse mes channel là, n'a invite à abonner avec channel là. Cliquez sur cette cloche là pour chaque vidéo nous liker et pas oublier bah nous un like pour encourager nous faire connaître travail n'a fait positif à mort.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting no licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait see look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on the helmets. Legacies, family.